Have you ever wondered why some brands seem to have a magnetic pull on their customers, while others struggle to gain traction? Welcome to the fascinating world of digital marketing, where every click, every page view, every interaction is a chance to create a lasting relationship with your audience. Today, we'll dive into the story of a well-known brand that has mastered this art. The brand in question? None other than the global coffee giant, Starbucks. Starbucks, a name synonymous with coffee, has brewed up a digital marketing strategy that is as robust and rich as its signature espresso. It's not just about selling cups of coffee. It's about creating an experience, a feeling, a connection. And how do they do this? By utilizing a blend of different digital marketing techniques. One of the key elements of Starbucks' digital marketing strategy is their customer loyalty program. Starbucks Rewards is a prime example of how to use digital marketing to enhance customer engagement. The program uses a simple yet effective points system where customers earn stars for every purchase. These stars can then be redeemed for free drinks or food items. But it's not just about the rewards, it's about the personalized experience. Starbucks uses customer data to tailor suggestions and offers to individual preferences, making each interaction feel unique and personal. But Starbucks doesn't stop there. They also leverage social media to create a strong brand presence. Through platforms like Instagram and Twitter, Starbucks shares engaging content like beautiful photos of their drinks and stores, behind-the-scenes peeks into their operations, and stories about their commitment to social responsibility. This not only attracts followers, but also encourages engagement and conversation, fostering a sense of community among their fans. So, what can we take away from Starbucks' digital marketing success? Firstly, the importance of a customer-centric approach. By focusing on providing value and a personalized experience to their customers, Starbucks has been able to build strong brand loyalty. Secondly, the power of social media. By using social media platforms to share engaging content and foster a sense of community, Starbucks has strengthened its brand presence and connected with customers on a deeper level. Lastly, the value of data. Starbucks' use of customer data to tailor their marketing efforts highlights the potential of data-driven marketing. By understanding their customers' preferences and behaviors, Starbucks can create a more effective and targeted marketing strategy. In conclusion, digital marketing is not just about promoting a product or a service. It's about creating an experience, building relationships, and understanding your audience. And as Starbucks shows, when done right, digital marketing can turn customers into loyal fans and even brand advocates. So whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional at a global corporation, remember the lessons from Starbucks. Focus on your customer, leverage social media, and use data wisely. These are the ingredients for a successful digital marketing strategy.